Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $65,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. Come take a test drive today.